Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A14 and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary. At first you have to open a new message or note, any area where you can input some text. So let me just open new message. And as you can see here, you've got your current keyboard. So it is set up with English. If you wish to change it, all you have to do is to click on settings icon. Then go to languages and types and select manage input languages. You can smoothly activate and then deactivate particular language. Then let's go back or smoothly open a new message again. And as you can see, it has been already applied. And obviously you can switch it whenever you wish. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.